That was photographer, like right there. I thought that was a pretty good one. You help me the heck. What? I gotta see. I know what this is. Global platform that brings people together through play. Yeah, this guy's asked me to hack this. No. You see, that's well. First off, that's illegal. That's first and foremost. That's 100% illegal. Secondly, no. Like I don't care. Like if you're just a really bad warrior on top of a tree, it's not really my problem. You know? And this guy's got a 21 Pilots concert. Alright. So that was that one, like right there. That was a photographer. Photographer's also on excuse me. It's also on what's it called? Hub. So I believe we could probably get rid of it on Hub too. We'll say pawned for that one. Photographer, like right there. I should probably make sure it's the same one, huh? So let's go ahead and we'll drop back over into here. We'll drop over, I guess, into Hub. And maybe I'll start with that one, like right there, and see if it's the same one. Then we can say that we pawned it. If it is the same one, I guess we can run through it super quickly, because Hub would be super fast, and we'll just run through the same thing twice. Good box to test your knowledge of multiple development language. Well, I don't have multiple development languages. I suck with that. So, you know, that's how it says. Solstice. They said it was easy. Community rated it as hard. Go ahead and try this one. Solstice. Solstice. I'm gonna have to get. It'll be next year sometime. But I'm gonna have to get a subscription to this, just so I can do this guy like right here and really start to pour some effort into him. We can either do Solstice, or you know what? We're not gonna do Solstice tonight. I'm sorry. We want to exit out of here. Hopefully it doesn't still run it. Shouldn't, especially if I do this. All right, we are not gonna do the rest of that tonight. We are going to do a. We are going to get back into the Advent of Cyber 2019 because I started that and I said I was going to finish it. And every time I start something, I never finish it. So we're going to do that. So the only thing that I like halfway finished was Buffer Road for September. But I feel like I was starting to lose a lot of people with that one, so that's why I kind of said, okay, that's enough. There's an Adventure Time one? See, this is why I started. I don't finish it. CTM. Oh, Adventure Time. Is this one new? This will like just come out or something? Adventure Time. Let's see here. See what my reps are. Oh yeah, this one's newer. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Ryan. Let's get back into this. And we're gonna do Hosint. So I'm gonna go with this open source intelligence. Like right here. Let's go ahead and yeah, I'm already on my VPN and everything. Close that. We'll exit out here. Let's go ahead and exit out here. Clear that out with cd backslash try hack me. Advent of Cyber 2019. I believe I already have actually the file for this guy. I think I do. Download task files. Yeah, I do. The Grinch.jpg. Okay, so what is Low's date of birth? So we download that file, and if I try to do like a steg hide with him or anything like that, or attack SF, I guess. Attack, stuff like that. Isn't that? I thought steg hide did that. That was the file. Help. Okay, steg hide, you're starting to piss me off. Attack SF file name. Select stego file. It's P. Oh, I didn't evil off that PCAP. No wonder why it's not finding anything. Let's try the Grinch. So like unknown command attack SF. You literally have it right there. Select Stego file. Extract file? XF? Unknown command. How do you not know your own commands? Alright, this is why I don't do anything with steganography. Let's try exit data. Exit tools, right? The Grinch. Okay, there we go. We get some stuff in here. So we got the Grinch.jpg, we got file size, file modification, permissions, JPEG, 0.0, image, exit tool, creator, Jolac1. So we're doing open source intelligence. Go ahead and copy that. So let's echo Jolac1 into the Grinch users.txt. Okay. Progressive, DCT, Huffman coding. Alright, so we did find a creator of this at least. So that's something, like right there. So what is Lola's date of birth? And we found her. So we're in open source intelligence, right? We got a Twitter account, Elf Lola. La 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 Lola. Alright, I'm one of Santa's helpers, professional photographer, born December 29th, 1900. Sounds like a Santa's helper. What is Lola's current occupation? Santa's helper. What phone does... Oh, maybe not. Okay. How did she spell it then? Is it Santa's helper, like make iPhones? Well, who would have thought? Except for my iPhone X. So she probably made an iPhone X. Okay, she's Santa's helper, so that's possessive. Okay, so Santa possesses his helpers. It's a possessive statement. Alright. iPhone X. What did Lola first start her photography? I don't know. What date did she first start her photography? So, join December 2019. Let's go ahead and actually tweets and replies. Media. Nope, I don't have Twitter. Likes. Tweets. Alright, let's go ahead and actually start to read this guy out like a little bit, huh? So we have Alpha Lola is an alpha of interest, blah, blah, blah. Okay, resources available here. Open link, a new tab. And what famous woman does Lola have on her webpage? Does she have a webpage? Let's see whether she has a webpage or not. Okay, she does. Lola Johnson, 1998. Does she start it in 1998? Alright, check out my work. Oh, who is that? JP Carousel? Is that like the answer, like right there? No, we're probably gonna have to do some type of let's save that picture. That's probably the famous woman, right? That's all I think, right? Yeah, okay. I don't know who that is though. Do you guys know who that is? Anybody? Anybody? No? No? Let's go ahead and grab that picture. We'll save image as, put that on the desktop. Reverse image search? Yes, sir. Why not? Let's save it as that. I said that's what they did to get to it, huh? Back. And then we can go ahead and go to Google. Reverse image search. Yep, then we can upload, paste image URL, or upload an image. We can upload, browse, and we put that in the desktop, right? Desktop, reverse image search, boom, boom. Uploading file, okay. And that is portrait of Ada, Countess of Lovelace. Okay. So, Ada Countess, I guess they're probably just looking for. I mean, that's who she is. Ada Lovelace. That's her name. Go back to here. We'll do Ada Lovelace. Okay. And what date did Lola first start? There's something that you can actually look at old web pages with. It's probably gonna be in here actually, or in our open source intelligence thing. Let's see here. We can look at old web pages, open source intelligence framework, image metadata. We already found that. Exit tools. Wayback Machine. That's what it is. Okay, so if we go Wayback Machine, right? Web Archive, Wayback Machine. We enter URL or words related to a site's homepage. Can we just enter straight up this URL like right here? Or is that going to bring us like nowhere? Saved 60 times between October 23rd and September 6th, 2021. So let's go to our first post. Lola Johnson's first post. That was made in October. Come on, Lola. We can do this together as a team. Alright, I started freelance photographer 5 years ago today. And this was October 23rd, 2019. So 5 years ago would be 2014. So October 23rd, 2014. 10/23/2014. Hint. How do you guys want it? If she started 5 years ago today, then it would be 2019, right? Oh, day, month, year. So 23/10/2019. Yeah, October 10th, right? October 23rd. And it's day, month, year. So the 23rd of October, 2014. I can put it down 2009. There we go. Okay, cool. Alright, so that was a good one. Open source intelligence. Data infiltration. Let's go ahead and download that task file. So we got Holiday Thief PCAP files. We got another Wireshark file. Let's go ahead and move from downloads. It was called Holiday Thief.pcap, right? So right here. We'll go ahead and Wireshark that guy. Holiday Thief.pcap. And let's see what this guy's all about. Let's see what the questions are that we got to answer here. And McElferson, come quickly, yelled Elf Administrator. Okay. What is it, Elf Administrator? McElferson replies, data has been stolen off of our servers. Elf Administrator says, what was stolen? She replied, I'm not sure. They hid it very well. All I know is something is missing, they replied. I know just who to call, said Elf McElferson. Click here to support a document. Challenge is supported by Spooky. I am not the person they called. I'll say that much like right now. Some data exfiltration techniques include DNS, FTP, SMB, HTTP, steganographical methods like hiding data within images, ICMP, and many more. Okay. Well, let's try DNS, I guess, first, huh? Let's go ahead and search for DNS. See if we can find anything. Find a bunch of stuff for DNS, so what are we actually looking for within DNS is the real question now. As you can see, this traffic can spot in large quantities. They're completely random, and they can be semi-easy to spot. Another technique is using... Yeah, okay, so... This is very large. That's kind of easy to spot. What am I supposed to do with it? This one's got a bunch of A's. Domain name query. Okay. What data was exfiltrated via DNS? Okay. So I'm trying to figure out like right now, but it's not showing me any data anywhere. Whoopsie daisy. Hate whenever I do that. There we go. I'm not seeing any data anywhere yet. HolidayThief.com. Boom. Saw the DNS stuff like right there. I'm not seeing data anywhere in here though. Class in, name is that. Blank type, AAA, class in, response 13. Where do I actually see what they would steal within DNS? So I'm not really understanding with that one. What would you steal? What data was exfiltrated with DNS? As you can see, traffic sent from me. Another technique. Okay. You use data exfiltration maybe because it blends in. DNS is used on every single device in the network. Can be incredibly difficult to determine malicious traffic. An attack, for example, can have the website set up listening for data on any subdomain other than www and record it to a file that are examining context. Yeah, that's what I have. DNS transfer hex encoded data. I mean, that's exactly what I'm seeing here. But what am I supposed to get out of this? Is this like hex encoded data? Is that what this actually is, like right here? Because this is all ending in the same stuff, isn't it? So I'm thinking this is probably hex encoded data, like right here. Can I copy the value of that? And then go to like something like CyberChef? Can I do something like this? Drop him in there. Is he hex encoded? From hexdump? Candy cane serial number. Ooh, okay. So that's something. So they're trying to steal the candy cane serial number, and then where that was at the end there, huh? Then we got all this crap at the end here. 8491, I take it. Is that it? Oh, that is. What did little Timmy want for Christmas? Fucking know. Who cares? See if Timmy's still using Telnet. Oh, he's not. Thanks, Timmy. Thanks a lot. What about SMB? You put in your SMB share, Timmy? Nope. What about SMB 2? Timmy, you put in there? Nope. Thanks, Timmy. Really help me out here, big guy. Really making our lives easier, Timmy. Neighbor solicitation. We got a router going on here or something? Application data. Transport layer security. We have HTTP in here? We do have HTTP traffic. Okay. Christmaslist.zip. That's a good place to start now, isn't it? Hypertext. Boom, boom. Holiday thief. Christmas full request is this. I wonder if we can actually get that. Can we actually grab that? Can we get it before it got zipped? Tryhackme.jpg. Tryhackme. Application.zip. Text.html. Line-based text data. Christmas list. Tryhackme. Does he want Tryhackme? That was his like Christmas list.zip. So I still need to figure out how the hell they unzipped it, or when they actually unzipped it, or something. Or if I can go there and unzip it, I don't know. There's nothing to go to though. What does little Jimmy or Johnny, whatever his name was, want for Christmas, you know? Media type. Application.zip. Thank you very much. No idea how much you guys are helping me out here. holidaythief.com/tryhacking.jpg. Copy the value. Just gonna try something real quick. You never know. What does little Timmy want to be for Christmas? What does little Timmy want to be for Christmas? I don't know. I really don't. But I feel like under Christmas list, that is it. What was hidden within the file? Within what file? So we have FTP. I wonder if we got FTP. I wonder if we FTP'd it over, because that would be freaking sweet. We need something that's unsecured so that we can actually read it. That's the problem. Is if Wireshark decided to explode on us, which is not helping out at all. Alright. I don't think we can't just download that thing. Root device. Let's go ahead and check out HTTP or FTP. I mean. Nope. Why would that be in there? Thank you very much, little Timmy. You are too helpful. FTP, SMB, we already know. HTTP might be ICMP. So let's go ahead and check out HTTP again. Christmaslist.zip. Can I actually look at that zip file? Probably not. I don't see why I would be able to. Anyone else know with Wireshark if I can actually get that file somehow and actually look at that Christmaslist.zip file? It's not going to see what's inside of it. It's a zip file. We didn't get anything back here, did we yet? Nothing. Nothing yet. Huh. Huh. Oh, we will find something. holidaythief.com, christmaslist.zip. Yeah, I want to like exfiltrate that. Media type. Application.zip. Okay. Christmas.text. Man, I wish we could read that. You know what I'm saying? That would make our lives so much easier if we could just read that. So, christmaslist.zip. There's got to be some way we can download that Christmas list, in all honesty. Copied, what does it say? Copied http holidaythief.com, christmaslist.zip. Let's try to actually just go there. Can we go there? No, I didn't think so. Okay. Can we somehow get that? I don't understand how we would actually get that list, though. I mean, we can't download it, right? From Wireshark. I don't see how we would download it. You know, I just don't see like what we would use to download that. And this box isn't actually like alive, is it? Because there's nothing in here, right? You can't turn it on. No. What in the hell? Must be for Christmas. What was hidden within the file? We have skilling up after that. What's hidden within the file? How do we download you? Because I can't actually go to that URI. I wonder if when this very first came out, you actually could go to that URI. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if that was like a thing. Because we don't have a holidaythief.com anymore. If we do, I don't know if I actually want to go to it. Yeah, that doesn't exist. Okay. So, how in the hell am I going to actually download something from here? From Wireshark. Can we even do that? Is that even like a thing? Is that an actual thing? File export objects HTTP. Really? Really? File export objects HTTP? No freaking way. No way. Save that. Christmaslist.zip. Save it. Wow. Did I save it? I did. That is freaking sweet, man. Alright, let's go ahead and yeah, not that. Let's go ahead and unstack LA, unzip, christmaslist.zip. It's password. Of course there's a password. Fuck you, Timmy. Fcrack-zip, right? Fcrack-zip, boom. Christmaslist.zip. Boom. Password found December. God, that thing is fast. Fcrack is freaking. That was in Rocky.txt, by the way, just so you know. God, it's so fast. Let's go ahead and cat. Let's go ahead and unzip Christmas list.zip, December, DCEM, God, I messed that up again. December, going cat, Christmas list, Timmy, right? Dear Santa, for Christmas I'd like to be a pen tester. Timmy, about to piss me off. What was hidden within the file? What file? What file? This one's not even that text. Maybe that one. Razor quartz mouse. What? What do you mean? Is that, would that be in the you guys think that that's in the other file that we could have downloaded? If we go back to file, export projects, HTTP, and then if we download this try hack me one also, maybe it's in that JPEG. We'll save that because we can. It did say something about also exfiltrating data, obviously through steganography. So is he in there? Did I do it? Yeah, I did it. Cancel, close, and then we'll just do like a steg hide or some of that. Steg hide. Okay, steg hide. Steg hide. Steg hide. Steg hide. Extract. Attack SF. Try hack me. That's a passphrase. I don't know. Okay, we'll extract it out of Christmas monster.txt. Cat Christmas monster.txt. And we get this. ARPA-Wookie RFC F5. Okay. Whatever that is. Alright. So what was the hidden file within the, what was the hidden thing? I guess it would be that ARPA-Wookie thing. Or RFC 527 maybe. RFC 527. Cool. We did that one. Last one. Now we got skilling up. Okay, last one for the night. We started at 9, so we got 10, 11, 12 done so far. Not too much left. Why is there 30 tasks? There's only 25 days. Oh, because the first of them was all like just click on stuff on. I was like, wait a minute. I was so confused there for a second. So last one for today. Clear that out. Clear that out. That was cool. I learned something new about Worsh. I didn't know you could actually extract the data afterwards. Like I thought you would just have to go to that website and that's how you get the data. So that's pretty cool, like right there. I like that. I like that a lot. So we are on day 7. That's it. Crap. Not very far along, is it? Especially since I want to get through this one and 2020, so not very far along. Oh boy. Alright. We got 5 seconds left, so we got how many TCP ports are there? What's the name of the OS host? What version of SSH is running? What's the name of the file this S1 server you found? Okay. Not doesn't look too hard. Just want to try to ping this guy. Okay, so let's go ahead and do an mmap. We're not gonna do all ports this time. If it wants it under 1,000, then we'll give it under 1,000, right? We'll say 1 to 1,000. There we go. We got 1 port. No, I'm just kidding. Probably just do a rust scan, just count them. I'll see, probably be faster. Oh, we got 1 port. We got RPC bind. Maybe it's not fully up yet. Maybe we have to give it like a little bit longer because the ones that we did have that were, you know, like had like web servers, things like that, they did take a little bit longer. So let's just go ahead and yeah, it's obviously not going to be 1. Let's go ahead and give that guy another minute or so, and then we'll get on from there. And from here we got some SUID shenanigans, request, ALP applications, ALP encryption, accumulate, unknown storage, LFI. We could just go to day 15 like real quick. That sounds easy. Hydra, could go there. That sounds easy too. Hydra, brute force Molly's web password. This is already a box. This is literally a box actually. Hydra's actually a box on here. I've already done that box actually. So that's weird. Guess they got lost with couldn't think of something. Okay, bull. Like, if this thing's still waiting this long, that was only one port open, and it's freaking 111. Like, this guy's taking way too long. He's been up for like 3 minutes now. Some strange machines that they found in their network. Okay. I'm trying to look at them, but by God, you guys need a better connection. There we go. Okay, so now we got port 22, port 111. Probably, like I said, probably do a rust gap, probably faster. 999. 999. I'm going to go with 3 now. Is there 3 ports under 1,000? Yes, there is. What is the name of the OS? What is the name of the operating system of the host? We can figure that out. That's an easy one. Let's go ahead and do a Garcon. What the hell is that? Alright. Attack P, we'll say 999, or it doesn't really matter. We'll do that. We'll do attack A, attack O. That should be good enough. Sudo. That's going to be aggressive scan, and check out the operating system also. That's what that's going to be for. And they'd also want to see nmap attack SV, attack SV, attack SV 22. Right, because I also want to see what version that was right. They did tell us something about web server. 999 web server. Let's go ahead and check that out real quick. See if 999 is a web server. He's doing something. Alright, so our version is 7.4 for that guy. So we got 7.4. What is the name of the OS of the host? So what operating system is it running? We don't know yet. Okay. 999 is... Okay, it's not really that interesting file. Yeah, let's go ahead and save that file. Control-Shift-E. We'll go ahead and move from downloads, right? Interesting files right here. Let's go ahead and cat that interesting file. There's nothing in it. Okay, that was very interesting actually. I'm very interested. What's the name of the file that's just on the website? You found interesting file. It's not interesting at all, but that's what it's called. Alright, and we don't need that anymore, like right there. He's still trying to do an operating system scan, stuff like that. Let's go ahead and do an nmap. Attack P, 22. Boom, boom, boom. Then we'll do our attack A. Crap. Let's just do that. So he's only worried about one port. So this is like OS detection. Retrying OS detection. Alright, let's see what we got here. So I did that so he's just worried about one port, and he's going to look at that one port and try to figure it out from there. So SSH, obviously, OS matches for his host, test conditions not ideal. I know that. I gave you an SSH to figure it out with. Probably wasn't really the best thing in the world. Scan. Uptime. Okay. OS fingerprint not ideal because missing a closed TCP port, so results are complete aggressive scans. Linux 3.1, 91%, Linux 3.2. So, like Linux. I could just guess that. Okay, cool. So we are done with that guy now too. So there's another one done, and I guess we'll start up SUID shenanigans tomorrow, and we'll see what happens from there. Okay. So we'll probably do one and then come back and then do SUID shenanigans, and do one then come back and just keep doing that. So we did 5, 6, and 7 today. So that was a good one, like right there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. They'll be on, this one that we just watched just now will be on December, and then the other ones will obviously they'll be on sometime before that, probably like November, something like that. So what's happening now? What's going on? Oh, we just did the Advent of Cyber day 5, 6, and 7, and we also did a let me see here. We also did Proving Grounds. I don't remember what box we even hacked on Proving Grounds. Photographer. We hacked that on Proving Grounds. So those are the 2 things we just did. Hopefully you guys liked it, and hopefully y'all have a good one. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Yep, that's about it for tonight.